Okay, this is a sewer inspection over here in Clearwater, pre-purchase inspection, and we're at the city tap right now. That's what we're staring at, where everything dumps into the city main, and we're in the backyard going through a clean out. So you can see here that there is a lot of scaling. I'm not sure if this was hydrojetted at one point, and then this is just the scaling that's here, but there's definitely some scaling in this line for sure. What appears to possibly look like roots, unsure of. But they're experiencing also a bathtub that's just draining really slow. So it goes from cast iron to PVC. That's going to be a test tee from when they replace this line. I do have a bathtub running that's draining really slow inside the house. And also the laundry line is tied into this line too, further down the run. That looked like a little 2-inch line tying into it. So we're over here at the clean out. We're going to go ahead and go upstream and see if we can see where this bathtub drains into. Should be straight ahead. Actually, it's a little further back. There it is. It's coming in from the right. So what's directly in front of us is going to be the toilet, and everything from the right is probably going to be the kitchen sink, bathtubs, and vanity for the bathroom. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to leave this video recording, and I'm going to run the kitchen sink and vanity. Alright, so this is going to be with the kitchen sink running and the vanity running. And everything is coming out of this right combo here, so straight ahead is the toilet. So everything else works good other than the slow drain of the toilet. I'm going to go ahead and run the sewer camera back downstream, and we're going to go ahead and find where this cast iron part starts and finishes to the tap, because you can't really tell if it's broken or not. I mean, there's definitely some scaling on the bottom of it, so it's a little tough to say. That's going to be like a 2-inch sanitary tie-in that's dumping on the top. That's likely going to be where the laundry room ties into. The good note is that that's just gray water, so it's fine. So right now we're going back downstream, so we're exiting the property. And there goes the clean out. turning to the right to cast iron. I'm going to go ahead and mark this out. So everything here flushes good. Sorry, I don't know what got muted, what did not. I can't mark this location because there's a big tree here that has a whole bunch of bees in it, and I don't want to be involved or get stung. Which is, it explains why probably they didn't replace this section here. I can't see any immediate breaks, but definitely got some things that look like roots growing on the side of it, so it could be cracked on the side of the pipe and we just can't see it. The more I look at it, the more this is going to be a problem down the road. And then this is where the PVC section is. So I'm going to try to bring it back a bit. Maybe we could see where this cleanout is, and hopefully I can try to mark it at the very least. And then you can have the city come out and mark their tab.